Welcome back to my channel, gorgeous people. How are you all doing today? I hope you all are having an amazing day. Hope you're having an amazing week as well. Thank you all so much for your likes. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your subscriptions. Thank you to my old and my new subscribers. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on your notification bell in order for you to know whenever I upload.
I gave a life, I'm a vessel, a little daughter.
So for today's tutorial, it's going to be a collaboration with some amazing, gorgeous, talented people, talented ladies that met on this platform. So we all decided to do Valentine's look together, and I'm collabing with Noella, the Budget Bella, HD Signature, Tumebi Lee, Miss Zipro, the Tall Black Chick, Tina Fey, Dorcas, and Christine. Putting the links of these amazing, beautiful, talented ladies that I told you all about. I'm going to put their link in the description box. Please do me a huge favor by visiting them. They have a lot of amazing, good content going on their channel. This look for me, it's basically about the eyes. Okay, when it comes to the face, I have not changed anything new. I don't have anything new to feature, even if this is your first time visiting my channel. So as you all can tell, I already did my brows off the camera, and today I'll be using, and I also prime my eyelid with this primer by Unique. This is by Unique. It's an eyeshadow palette that I'm going to be using today. This is by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to be using just this 3 shades down right here on the screen. I'll put the names of all these 3 shades that I'll be using. I'll put them on the screen. I might pop in a little bit of this, maybe in my inner tear dot. Maybe. Let's see how this goes, guys. You have not really missed anything, I'm telling you, because if I have new products when it comes to foundation, powder, highlighter, contouring, and all that good stuff, I will definitely come back and talk about it. I love to review, I love to rave about products that are good. Okay, so I don't want to waste your time and some of my old subscribers as well doing the same shebang that I've been doing before. Okay, please, I'll do the eyes on the camera and the rest of my face off the camera, and I'll come back and show you the concluding part. How about that? Yes, thank you all so much for your patience. Thank you for watching, and by the grace of God, I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.
My name is Chrissy, nice to meet you, can I tell you, baby? Look around, there's a whole lot of pretty babies, but none like you shine so bright. Yeah, I was wondering if you and me could spend a minute on the floor, up and close, getting lost in it. I won't give up without a fight. I just wanna, ooh, baby. Hey baby, I think I wanna marry you. Well, I know.
So this is what we have going on so far.
No one will know. Oh, come on, boy. Who cares if we're trash guys?
So here is the eyeliner. It was not cooperating, I'm not gonna lie. Like, they were not cooperating, so I had to use makeup wipes just to clean the outer corner and to make them look like, you know, like twins. Okay, so the eye, I'm gonna move on. The lashes that I'll be using today, this is by Sean's Beauty. This was sent to me sometime last year as a part of a giveaway that I won on this platform too. Oh yeah, somebody did a giveaway. Miss Odette, her name is Odette Young on YouTube here. So I won a giveaway last year, and this happened to be part of it, part of the gift that I won, and I'll be using that lashes today. I've used it before, but this is my first time using it officially on the camera. Okay, and I'll be putting the glue by Dorella Cosmetics as well. You all have seen the review on this amazing glue. Like, it does the magic. So easy to use. What I forget to mention, I already applied first lash, mascara on my real lashes, so as to have a foundation to lay my first lashes, because I use the eye pencil by Unique to line my inner eye rim, and I'm going to go ahead and apply some of the eyeshadow, one of the eyeshadow that I use on my eyelid. I'm going to be combining these two and these two together under.
My name is Chrissy, nice to meet you, can I tell you, baby? Look around, there's a whole lot of pretty babies, but none like you shine so bright. Yeah, I was wondering if you and me could spend a minute on the floor, up and close, getting lost in it. I won't give up without a fight. I just want.
So this is what I'm going to use as my top, is a scarf, but I'm going to style it on top of this one just for you guys to have an idea of what I'm about to do. Then I'll go off the camera and do it on my, like on my bare skin with my bra. This is someone's property, so I have to protect it. I'm not going to put everything out there, okay? All right, so this is what I'm about to do. This just came into my mind, so I said I'm just going to do it. Sometimes you just go for it. Can actually see. So the reason why I'm standing here is to be able to see the mirror. So let me tilt the mirror a little bit so I can see it, what I'm doing. Then you guys too can see it. So it's like, see, long that way. Try to, then I'll take this one, wrap it this way, okay, then come this way, then end here, go back to the back, then I'll tuck it into the other one. I don't know if you guys can see it. Then I just do some kind of adjustments to make it look like a top. Of course, it's not a top, but it's just my crazy idea. Sometimes it comes to my mind like that and I just want to go for it. So I'm still gonna, don't worry, it's looking crazy now, but by the time you see it on my bare skin, okay, it's gonna make sense, okay?
My name is Chrissy, nice to meet you, can I tell you, baby? Look around, there's a whole lot of pretty babies, but none like you shine so bright. Yeah, I was wondering if you and me could spend a minute on the floor, up and close, getting lost in it. I won't give up without a fight. I just wanna, ooh, baby. Hey baby, I think I wanna marry you. Well, I know it's Little Chapel on the boulevard. We can go